If you're struggling to make money on Instacart, there are 3 new things that you can do to go ahead and get more batches on this app, which will of course result in more money. So let's get into it. Now, this first thing has a lot of weight when it comes to seeing Instacart orders, especially if you are not a Diamond Cart shopper. Now, of course, to become a Diamond Cart shopper, you have to complete a few hundred batches within the time frame that Instacart gives you to become a Diamond Cart shopper. And if you didn't know, Diamond Cart shoppers are supposed to be preferred when Instacart is sending out orders, and they are supposed to see them first, even if they're not in the hotspot zones or near a store. But for anyone who just uses this as a weekend side hustle or just, a few days a week, they're not doing Instacart full time, it can be really hard to achieve Diamond Cart. Or if they're just not sending you many orders, it can be hard to achieve it in the first place. The thing is, Instacart just changed this. And although I've had my suspicions about this entire time, and I have let you guys know this information, Instacart has now confirmed that this is how you can get more orders. And that's your shopping speed. So literally right now, today, focus on your shopping speed and get that number down. Now, the reason that matters, as Instacart has now stated, shoppers with a lower shopping speed are going to be preferred over other shoppers with a higher shopping speed if they're away from the store, which will definitely help with a flow of orders because, as you know, Instacart, they didn't update where you kind of have to be near the store in order to see orders, or at least good orders. But if you're able to deliver an order and then accept another one on your way back to where the store is, that would help with the flow of orders and money, and you don't have to sit there waiting. So getting to be preferred as a shopper over other shoppers, even when you're away from the store without having Diamond Cart, is a huge plus. Now, as I've mentioned in other videos, shopping speed has always, to me, seemed to matter, and I've always kept it around 60 to 70 seconds per item. Recently, I have actually decreased that even more, especially after I saw that they've confirmed that this is how you can get more orders. So now my shopping speed is 55 seconds per item. I'm not super focused on getting it lower, and I do understand for some big stores like BJ's, Costco's, things like that, it can be a little trickier to get that shopping speed lower just because the store is so big and it can be so crowded, and of course your shopping speed is also going to be measured by your checkout time, and that's a little bit out of your control. But if you want to just focus on getting this score down so you can try to see more orders and be preferred over other shoppers, a few things you can do are definitely go to self-checkouts, go to stores that typically don't have a long line, and do a quick scroll before you go into the store of all the items so you have some idea in your head of where you need to go, what aisles, and in what order you need to go in. For me, a lot of the time, I do not go up and down all the aisles. I'll go around the outside and I'll go loop all the way back around. Let's say this is aisle 1. If I'm at the end here and the item is all the way at the other end of aisle 1, I'm not walking all the way down aisle 1 unless there's an item at the end of aisle 2 or 3, if that makes any sense. Every store is going to have a different layout, of course, but the more you shop, the more you get familiar with where items are in the store layout, so you can be even faster. You also can do a few orders that are just low item orders, like at a CVS or a Walgreens, so you can almost shop the items before even hitting start shopping because they'll probably be in stock and there's only a few items. Those are some things you can do right now today so you can lower your shopping speed and hopefully even today or starting tomorrow on your next shift for Instacart, see more orders and make more money. Now, the next thing that you can do, which is super important, you can actually do it right at the end of this video, is go into your Instacart app and make sure that all batch forms are turned on. There's actually 7 different types of batches that you can get, like tasks, prescriptions, bulky item orders, delivery only. There's a whole list of them. There's literally 7 different types. So at the end of this video, go to your Instacart app, go to the stats section, and it'll say other ways to get batches, and it'll say access to batches. It'll say 7 out of 7, which is what it says for me. Or if it doesn't, make sure you go in there and turn every single one on. Get your cooler bag approved, put what type of car you have into the app, all the different things you need so that you can get verified to do every single type of order. Because as I've mentioned, at least for myself, one of my favorite types of deliveries to actually do for Instacart is the delivery only ones, because all you have to do is drive up to the store, say that you're there, they bring the bags out to you, you scan them in, and you deliver them to the customer. But a lot of those times, I actually get pretty good tips on those orders. I've even gotten a few $100 orders from these delivery only ones, which is huge because that puts my hourly rate at an extremely high amount because it's just super fast. So definitely having all access to every single type of batch is super important so that you can get more orders. Now, the third thing that you can do so that you can get more orders, and if you're struggling to make money, this will definitely help you, is to take an order. I know that doesn't even make any sense at first because if you're not seeing orders, how can you take an order? But as I have mentioned several times now, Instacart is an app that they need to see that you're active on so they can give you more orders. And on top of that, Instacart always gives orders that are similar to the ones that you take because in their algorithm, somewhere in it, they think that because you've accepted one type of order for maybe one store or something like that, that you are more likely to accept this other order. Whether it's good or bad, the algorithm kind of pushes those orders on you. So for example, if you just completely avoid triple customer orders or double store orders, Instacart is not really gonna send them to you as much as they could. And I know those orders sound intimidating and you may not want to do them. However, there are triple customer orders and double store orders that are really good. I've seen several double store orders that are going to the same customer that are like $50 for like 20 items or something like that where the stores are right next to each other. There are good matches for those types of orders, but you have to let Instacart know that you're willing to do any type of order. That also includes delivery only orders. If you don't see many of them, I highly recommend doing one or two and you will see more of those orders. At least for me, in my experience, that has happened every single time. If I don't do a delivery only order for a while and then I do one, I'll start seeing more. Or double store orders, I'll start seeing more. This has been a thing with Instacart since I started, and so I always try to change it up what I'm doing all types of orders. Of course, I'm not gonna take, a $4 shopping order for 80 items, but I like to keep some sort of flow going so I can continuously see more and more and more orders, and of any order type. So stay active on the app, get your shopping speed down, and make sure every single type of batch is turned on so you can get more Instacart orders. So if you're struggling right now today to make money on Instacart, all of these things should help you starting today or even tomorrow on your next shift for Instacart. But that is it for this video. I hope this helps you guys. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.